Hi, welcome to the Plant Biology Greenhouse and Conservatory in the School of Biological Sciences. My name is Clint Chamness. I'm a horticulture graduate of SIU working in the greenhouse. I've been here for about 3 years. The greenhouse, as you can see, is very full. It's like a little botanical garden here in Southern Illinois. We're welcome, visitors are always welcome. We're open Monday through Friday. It's a great place to come in and unwind and see some cool tropical plants that you don't normally see in Southern Illinois. The greenhouses were built in the 40s. We have 3 side greenhouses, and then in the 70s they remodeled and added this main house that we're in. So this facility is very old. We're running old school systems. It's pretty neat to see as a horticulturalist or a plant biology or ag student to come in and see a functioning greenhouse like this. All right, well, we'll go into the south house here. So this is the south house. In here we have a lot of cactus and succulents, things that require less watering. It stays pretty warm in here. There's a lot going on, but we house a lot of plants in such a small area, that we have to keep things a little compacted. We also have room for research for undergrads or graduate students. You can rent bench space and do your own research projects, which is probably the main purpose of this facility, is to support plant biology and zoology and science majors. A lot of these plants are used to support courses like our general plant biology courses, to learn morphologies. Our taxonomy courses will use these plants. We'll even have art students come in and pick a specimen to draw or take a picture or do some cool art projects with. Okay, and up here we have a lot of our epiphytic plants. We have orchids and bromeliads, all these lower canopy plants from the tropics. And you can see it's very shaded in here. We have 4 bougainvillea growing as our shade cloth, which is a pretty neat concept. It really feels like a jungle in here, and it's very neat. I know the students enjoy coming in here and seeing epiphytes blooming at different times and all the different ways that plants grow. And now we will head into the Fern House, where we have some old Cycads. All right, and in here we have 3 Cycads. This is basically a living fossil. They've been around since the dinosaurs roamed the earth, and it's very cool to have such huge, big specimens in here. These plants themselves are 70 or 80 years old. It's really neat to come in and see something like that. We also keep all of our ferns in here. We have staghorn fern behind me, which is very neat to see. People love that. Yeah, it grows in crotch angles of trees in the wild. It's very cool to see. And classes use these. They'll have students come and collect spores to propagate ferns. And there's a lot of liverworts and non-vascular plants in here that are used as well. This is probably one of the favorite greenhouses for the plant biology students and most utilized, I would say. Okay, and we're heading into our north house now. In this house we do a lot of research. We have a lot of bench space in here available. And that's again for undergraduate and graduate students. It's pretty cool to come in. You could be a freshman or sophomore and know what you want to do and get a research project started. We also have a lot of floriferous plants in here and grow a lot of we renew a lot of plants in the greenhouse, and we grow a lot of those in here as well. We also need a lot of student worker help, and we love having student workers here. There's a lot of cleaning and propagating to do. It's more of a horticultural based job. It would benefit you majorly if you were a horticultural student. Not to say that we wouldn't love having someone in plant biology or zoology working in here as well, but it is a lot of horticultural based jobs. So you can see how big the greenhouse is and get a better perspective from the outside. We plant and take care of all these plants around the greenhouse. It takes a lot of effort, but it's for the beautification of campus, and all the staff and public and students love to see a nice, beautiful garden growing. And that's also something that we like here. We like to have visitors and have the community and people come out to see how beautiful the greenhouse is. A lot of people don't even know it exists, and we would love for you guys to check out more, and please follow the links below so you can get that information and come and see us. It'll be good to see people from the public, students, everyone's welcome.